Hey guys, so the further I get into this project and the more people I talk to, the more I'm starting to realize a lot of people don't understand how all this stuff gets made. With composites, to get the shape that you want, you need a form. And there's the traditional way, which is like this. This is a spinner mold with a spinner plug. So this is the mold, and the part will eventually get pulled out of here. And this will just get thrown away. That's a really time-consuming process and expensive and a lot of finish work. And most of my parts are built using that method. Fuselage, the wings, the wing skins, most of the spars. But a lot of the littler parts that I make are done with a different process. And here's the 2D version, and here's the 3D version. And the way I do that is not by molds or anything, it's just with the plug. So I don't make molds, I just use a plug. And I lay the part directly over the top of the plug. So that saves me all the time of having to build a mold, finish the surface perfect, all that stuff. I just lay this right over the top of the plug. And I'll show you how I do that right now. The tough thing about doing a layup like this is, especially a critical size one where the dimensions on the outside matter, is I'm using plugs just because it's quick and dirty, foam plugs, so there's no real molds, you're just laying right up over the plug. And you have to get your dimension undersized on your plug, and then you have to know your ply thickness, so when you go up over top of that, your actual outside dimension ends up being correct. But that's only if the bag sucked down correctly and you got all your wrinkles out and you know, nothing kinked at some place or another. So when this bag was getting sucked down, I really focused on pushing all these edges down and around and tucking everything really nice to make sure that there was an even thickness all the way around these ribs. But let's go and pop them out. Well, there's one. Alright, here's the 2 layers. This is the bleeder, and then this is the release that actually pulls off of this part. Alright, so there's the rib. It looks like all of our edges went down really nicely. Got a good shape. Corners look good. And there it is, a quick rib, no mold, exact size. Let's try to get this inside. I don't know if it's going to be possible. Ooh, careful. This could go bad in a hurry. So there's the form. So here's the finished rib. Outside inside. I don't know if you can see that, but that has taken that shape perfectly. Corners look great. Carbon looks good. Guys, that's a 20-cent mold right there. This, of course, will get sanded down where it gets bonded again into the wing. These edges right here will get cut off. You know, all the edges will get finished sanded. Nothing bonds to this, so that doesn't need to be sanded. Same with the inside. The inside, nothing bonds to that. It'll just stay as is. There it is. Quick and dirty. That's how you do it.